Delayed obedience is still disobedience, and most breakthroughs are waiting on a decision you already know you need to make. Excuses always feel reasonable, but most of the time, they're just fear dressed up as wisdom. Fear isn't the enemy. Disobedience is. Fear just shows you where courage is required. God isn't against wealth. He's against wealth having you. And when wealth is aligned with purpose, it becomes fuel, not friction. Listen, if you can't manage small amounts with integrity, bigger numbers won't show up. They'll expose you. Stewardship always comes before scale. If you feel restless, it's not because you're failing, it's because you're called. Comfort never produces courage, and growth rarely feels safe when it shows up the first time. If your vision doesn't make sense to the people around you, good. Callings aren't crowdsourced, they're revealed. Money isn't the goal, stewardship is. And when you treat money like a tool instead of a trophy, it starts working for you instead of owning you. Most people are waiting for provision before moving, but in Scripture, provision follows obedience. Movement unlocks supply. One deal can change a family tree. One decision, one act of courage, that's all it takes to change a family tree. Real estate isn't the dream, freedom is. And real estate is just the vehicle, but the destination is the impact. Think about this. What if your breakthrough becomes someone else's starting point? That's why your obedience matters more than you think. Let me tell you something that you might need to hear. You are not behind. You're being prepared. God doesn't rush process. He refines it. And when it's time for you to move, you won't need permission. You'll have conviction. You can't build a legacy on borrowed conviction. At some point, you have to stand on what you believe. You don't need confidence to move forward. You need obedience, because confidence usually shows up later, after you step, not before it. You don't have to be ready, you just need to be willing. Readiness is built in motion. You don't need the whole map, you just need the next step. Faith is never about certainty, it's about trust.